This is the MQ-4C Triton, America's most advanced, long-range, long-endurance drone that can monitor targets for up to 24 hours from high altitude. This is the first time in history that this drone has mysteriously disappeared from radar after a surveillance sweep in Iran. Did Iran shoot it down? Or was it an accident, as similar incidents have reportedly been happening to the U.S. in recent weeks? But what happened at Prince Sultan Air Base in Saudi Arabia on March 27, 2026, was not an accident. Iran changed the story of a high-security American airbase, which is considered one of the most secure in the world. Iran launched multiple ballistic missiles at this airbase and sent a swarm of about 30 drones. The main target was the base's most expensive aircraft, the E-3 Sentry. Costing more than $300 million, it is an aircraft that cannot be easily replaced. It provides surveillance for America over an entire 400 kilometers range and helps maintain air dominance. It was reportedly destroyed by a $20,000 Shahed drone. This was the first time in history that any country had successfully targeted the American E-3 Sentry on the battlefield. In the meantime, KC-35 refueling tankers, F-35 fighters, F-15 Eagles, MQ drones, all U.S. assets, have reportedly been lost under unclear circumstances. In the past few weeks, Iran, a country with a limited air force and minimal naval power, has been using asymmetric warfare to push the U.S. back. It has targeted radar systems, attacked bases, driven back aircraft carriers, and forced the U.S. to consider a ceasefire. Iran, a country with no significant space program, has been hitting American bases and military assets in Bahrain, Qatar, Kuwait, the UAE with notable accuracy. And it has done it all at a very low cost. Similar tactics were first observed in conflicts like Ukraine. Iran has effectively developed a strong model of asymmetric warfare. Now this model is being studied and copied all over the world. New information says that Iran has quietly purchased a spy satellite from China in 2024 called TEE-01B. With this satellite, they have tracked U.S. bases, radars, and tanker positions. It has a resolution of 0.5 meters, meaning that even aircraft numbers can potentially be read from space. Iran uses China's Beidou navigation system in its drones and missiles, so even GPS jamming does not fully work. In this way, Iran has challenged a trillion-dollar war machine at a very low cost. China denies providing this aid to Iran and says these are all rumors. But even during Operation Sindoor, where did Pakistan get the operational movement information of Indian fighters? Pakistan does not have its own satellites. So was China providing real-time information? Or did Pakistan also rent spy satellites from China? USS Abraham Lincoln and USS Gerald R. Ford, whenever they approach a country, they create fear. But Iran has also reportedly targeted them with ballistic missiles. It is said that a major fire broke out inside them. Whatever the case, these supercarriers are now reportedly repositioning to safer distances. Tanks worth 50 to 70 crores are being destroyed with drones worth 25 to 30 lakhs. This war has taught us high-end systems can be defeated with high quantity. Once expensive weapons are destroyed, they are difficult to rebuild. But cheap weapons can be easily remade. Iran has built a drone for $2,000. America has built a drone for $35,000. Today's war has changed. It's not just about having big weapons. Strategy, technology, and low-cost, effective weapons, these are what will define the future of war.